Okay. Samoan. I got the go for a swim. Do some laps. Okay, there's a lot longer video of my drive here to the Logan North Aquatic Centre. So these are the swimmers. We're all doing our cardio here today at the pool. So I haven't done this for a while. But I used to be a triathlete. I used to do Ironman triathlons decades ago. So this is where I used to train a long time ago. They've done the pool again. Anyway, that'll do. Heading off home. See ya. So done with my laps. That's my cardio for today, which is okay, I suppose. Got to drive back home. There's the old Jeep. Jeep is almost as old as I am. Not quite though. Alright, that'll do. Talk to you later.